And everyone, in the last class, we already know about the importance of light in our daily life and the basic components of light like rays of light and the beam of light. Yes, today we are going to discuss the new phenomena. But first of all, we need to understand which kind of thing is luminous object. Here some example is given. Sun, a CFL and a candle. They all have their own light. So they can generate their own light. These are known as luminous objects. Yes. Next we can say those kind of object which cannot generate their own light, which is like table, etc. These all are known as non-luminous objects. Okay, so when the light will exhibit, what will be the direction of light? Yeah, it's all possible direction. So we can take example of a CFL which is glowing inside a room. So when it glow, we can see clearly that it will actually goes in every direction, but in straight line. Yes. So the whole room will brighten up. These are known as the rays of light, or when a bundle we can take, it is known as the beam of light. You can see example of a CFL which emit the light and incident on a surface. After that it will bounce back. This phenomena is known as reflection of light. So we can take it as a view when we take a normal plane surface and the incident ray which is coming from a source. After a bounce back, it will form a reflected ray. Yes, it is called bouncing back ray or reflected ray. So here light will follow some rules which is known as laws of reflection. For that, first of all we have to take the imaginary line between it which can separate the incident ray and reflected ray, which is called normal, the perpendicular to the surface. So the first law of reflection states that the angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection. Yes. So here we can see the angle of incident made between incident ray and the normal, which is called I, and the R reflected angle made between normal and the reflected ray. So from the statement we can say the angle I is always equal to angle R. It's very simple. This is the first law of reflection. The incident angle and the reflected angle both will be same. So we can conclude I equal to R. So we can shift the incident ray and reflected ray so it will automatically adjust, and alternately we can find that I always equal to R. Now move towards second. This is what incident ray, normal and the reflected ray always lie in the same plane. Yes, the plane where we see the phenomena of reflection. Here we can see that incident